Welcome back, everybody, for another episode of ILLERY LB. Today we have a special treat for you guys on a pair of Gatorade Air Jordan 1s, the lime colorway. We're going to be doing that off-white Volt look for it. Pulling out this fresh pair. Gotta love DS. So, we're going to take the swoosh off using a regular seam ripper that you buy from Michael's, about $5-6, something like that. Also use the X-Acto knife. Get a nipper to pull out all the rest of the threads, clean it up. Get some double-sided tape to affix the swoosh while we stitch it in. There we go. Then I'm going to draw outline since the stitching is going to be in a zigzag pattern. Alright, because I want this thing to be uniform. So now get the stitching in using a regular sewing awl that you could buy off of eBay for about $15. I also ordered the Volt thread on there too for about $8. And I got this little piece from Joanne. It's like a ribbon that I used. Get that little orange part for it. And it uses black thread on this part. There's not the zigzag stitch that you see across the rest of the swoosh. So here I'm using the black thread. And then when you're done, it should come out with something like this. Thankfully the sewing part went like butter. Easy to get the awl through there. Now we'll go with the stencils. I make these stencils in-house, so I can pretty much make whatever I want. Put it to the midsole, put it on the midsole, get the spray in. Make sure you tape up really well, since I do use an airbrush, wherever air can go, it'll go. And if it's pushing out paint, it's gonna paint that too, so make sure you tape up really well. I put about 2 coats with some drying in between with a heat gun. Peel it off. I'm not going to show you the stencil work and stuff for the other side. It's basically the same thing, so I'll just let you guys look at this part. And if you do have any mistakes, you clean it up with a Q-tip and some acetone. Yeah, this part, boom. Touch it up with the black. Now we go to my favorite part, which is the painting, the sewing. Getting the tongue tag situated off-white style. Clean it up. Bam. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.